Spirit 10-04, 15 miles from Jalto, descend and maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared Alice 27 right approach, maintain 170 knots until Jalto.
3027 right approach, we're cleared in 170 knots to Jalto, Spirit 204.
635, descend and maintain 4000.
4000, American 635.
Turn left heading 360.
Left turn 360, American 635.
Landing gear. Landing gear.
Air Canada 7839, turn left heading 300, join the 27 right localizer.
Left 300, join 27 right localizer, Canada 7039.
American 1313, turn right heading 180.
180, American 1313.
Spirit 10-04, flighting 090.
090, Spirit 1004.
Air Canada 7039, 15 miles from Jalto, descend and maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared Alice 27 right approach, maintain 170 knots until Jalto.
Okay, descend to 3000, clear the ILS 27 right approach, 170 till Jalto, Canada 739.